In today's video, I'm going to teach you Keap Dashboard Overview. When you log into your Keap account, you'll automatically land on the dashboard. This is your main workspace and a quick snapshot of what's happening across your business. Right away, you'll see default widgets that help you monitor key activity without having to open different sections one by one. One of the first areas to notice is New Leads. This widget helps you track fresh opportunities coming into your business, so you can quickly see who may need follow-up. Next, you'll find New Clients, which gives you visibility into recently converted customers. That's useful for understanding how many leads are becoming paying clients. You'll also see Repeat Clients, which highlights returning customers. This can be especially helpful if you want to measure loyalty and repeat business. The Sales widget gives you a simple overview of revenue-related activity, while Quotes lets you keep an eye on estimates you've sent out. Invoices helps you monitor billing activity, so you can stay aware of what has been issued and what may still need attention. Another helpful section is Recent Activity. This gives you a running view of updates across your account, making it easier to stay current without searching manually. From the dashboard, go to Tasks. This area is designed to help you stay organized and keep follow-ups from slipping through the cracks. Click Add a task, then enter a clear title so the task is easy to recognize later. After that, type in a note with any extra details you need. You can also add a due date, which is a good way to stay on schedule and prioritize your work. Next, select an associated contact. This connects the task to a specific person in your database, which makes your follow-up more organized and easier to reference. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now go to Appointments and click Get Started. This feature helps you manage scheduling directly inside Keap, but before you can use it, you'll need to connect a calendar. In this example, choose Google Calendar. Keap may also offer Outlook Calendar, so you can connect the platform that matches the system you already use. After choosing your calendar provider, select the account you want to connect, then click Continue. You'll be asked to review access permissions. Select all the items Keap needs to access so the calendar integration can work properly, then click Continue again. From there, you can begin setting appointments. Depending on your Keap version, your dashboard can also be customized so the most important information appears first. For example, a salesperson might focus on new leads, open deals, today's tasks, upcoming appointments, and sales revenue. A business owner might prefer revenue, pipeline, customers, payments, and marketing performance. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.